Birds are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, and their feeding habits are equally remarkable. Unlike humans and many other animals, birds do not have teeth in their mouths. However, they still manage to break down and digest their food with incredible efficiency. In this video, we will explore the unique and fascinating way that birds chew their food. So, let's have a look into this. You are watching Lecture It. The avian digestive system is quite different from that of mammals. When a bird eats, its food is first broken down in the crop, a pouch in the throat where food is stored temporarily. From there, the food passes into the proventriculus, a glandular stomach that secretes digestive enzymes. After that, the food enters the gizzard, a muscular stomach-like pouch that contains small stones, grit, or sand. These substances aid in breaking down the food, which is why birds that do not swallow stones or grit have thicker, more muscular gizzards. The gizzard's function is comparable to that of human teeth. In the absence of teeth, the gizzard serves as the main grinding mechanism for breaking down food. As the gizzard contracts, the stones, grit, or sand help to grind the food down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Birds that swallow stones and grit have a more efficient digestive system, as the stones serve as the equivalent of teeth in humans, breaking down food before it even enters the digestive system. When gizzard stones become too smooth to do their job, the bird regurgitates them or passes them down and out through its digestive tract. Birds do not have teeth because the weight of the teeth and the jawbone to support would make flying more difficult. Many birds have a series of notches in their beaks or spikes on the inside of their beak or tongue. These notches and spikes are not true teeth, as they are not used to crush down their food. Instead, these features are used to get a good grip on the prey so that it does not escape. These adaptations are key to the survival of many bird species and allow them to capture and eat prey efficiently. The evolutionary history of birds is also interesting in the context of their feeding habits. In ancient times, there were birds with true teeth, known as odontorniths. These animals are no longer alive today, but they provide valuable insight into the evolutionary history of birds and the adaptations that have allowed them to become some of the most diverse and successful creatures on the planet. There are many other fascinating aspects to the way that birds eat. For example, some species have specialized beaks that are adapted to particular types of food. Hummingbirds, for instance, have long, thin beaks that allow them to feed on the nectar of flowers. Woodpeckers have strong, chisel-like beaks that enable them to drill into trees in search of insects. There are also birds that feed in different ways, such as the toucan, which tosses fruit into the air and catches it in its beak, or the flamingo, which uses its beak to filter feed from the water. In conclusion, birds have evolved a unique and highly efficient method for breaking down their food without teeth. Through the use of their powerful gizzards, as well as other adaptations such as notches and spikes in their beaks, birds are able to digest even the toughest materials with ease. Their remarkable adaptability and ingenuity are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of the natural world. By studying the way that birds eat, we can gain valuable insights into the evolution of life on Earth and the many adaptations that have allowed creatures to thrive in even the harshest environments.